Well, it's a hot summer day, got a lot of stuff going on, but there's always time to get a little smoke on. I've become a big fan of this pecan wood this year. Not sure if it ranks all the way up there with cherry and apple, but I like it pretty much. I've got this just about closed up down here. Restrict that airflow to just where I want it. I think the temperature's running just a little hot, but this is a perfect time, good opportunity to go ahead and get all the meat put on there. So, check the flow out of the top. I'm happy. Let's get the meat on. Today I'm going to be doing chicken, a whole chicken here, and a rack of ribs. Just do a double stack like that. Ought to turn out pretty good. I'm putting all this on together because I got it all on sale. All the meat you see here was less than 10 bucks, so it's worth experimenting with. I think I'm going to hang out with the Miller Lite today. You know, not much of a beer connoisseur. If you're looking for something like that, check out Guns, Knives, and Beers channel. And there we go. Our temperature's dialed in perfectly. Our flow's just about perfect. Let's go ahead and take a quick peek. Everything's starting to come along nicely. And there we go. Now time to just go ahead and let this all sit aside for about 45 minutes pound, which means I'll come back and check on it periodically, but overall, it's got a couple, 3-4 hours to cook. We're about halfway through this smoke here. Quick check. Yeah, I'd say those are coming along very nicely. Get a little peek at that chicken down there. Looking fairly decent. Can live with that. I'll go ahead and baste this again while I got this open. And quick check on seeing how much wood I got on there. I'll add a little bit more to that. Keep on smoking. Well, that's about it. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Just thought I'd bring you along for this quick little smoke. No recipes, no nothing like that. This isn't a cooking channel, so if you're looking for something like that, you might want to go someplace else. Overall, I'd have to say that those ribs turned out just about perfectly. Let's take one last look at that chicken there. That's looking really good. All told, I'm pretty happy. And only about, I don't know, about 4.5 hours. So, good deal. Well, thanks for joining me on this smoke today. If you enjoyed this video, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Feel free to follow us on Instagram. And this is where I say maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe. Or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.